Great day, great day. This is Trader Reg here with a quick market update. I just want to go over a couple of things I see coming this week in the market. Let's go to it. Let's get into it. Again, everything we talk about here is educational purposes only. If you are seeking investment advice, please seek a qualified investor. Everything we talk about here is for educational purposes only and cannot be misconstrued as anything else. All right, I just want to get a quick update of some things that I'm looking at here in the market. Talked about earlier this week about how the market could go lower. I still do believe we have more time in the to the downside coming. Now, one thing that I talked about the other day was how far we are extended from the 20. I do believe if we continue this, even if we go down tomorrow, which is a possibility. I do like that we had high volume on this doji, which kind of tells me that there could be some buyers coming in, but it did break a new low. So this doji often represents indecision, and a lot of times you get indecision where the placement of it, in this case, this is a bearish doji because of the placement of it, but it also could be signaling a bottom. And we start getting high volume bars with a doji at near the bottom of the range, there's a lot of times for a pop. And the fact that we extended away from the 20 tells me that there is a chance for us to come back and possibly fill this gap, which at that point, this 20 might be near here. That's just an observation that I see. I do believe we are going lower. My bands are still opening, which tells me the volatility is still in play. My ADX line, which I'm not going to go over in this video, is still strong, which tells me the downtrend is still strong. Our own special RSI is trading at 30, right along 30, which is right along the support line or the sell line of the other type of RSI that most people use. Okay, so usually when it dips below 30 and bounce back up, people like to buy. I don't believe that strategy is a effective strategy. But this way, what this tells me that the market is still bearish, but it is a little oversold and we could get a bounce. I'm favoring this to the upside here and looking to take this back to the downside as this moves up here. I don't know how long it would last, maybe a day or two only. It could do it all in one day, or I could do it over a series of days as it did up back here before we had this nice move down. But overall, again, I want to say I do believe we are going lower. A couple of things, if I go and look at some stocks, look at the high volume on Goldman Sachs at this bottom. Okay, now this is going in the weekend. A lot of people were getting out of their positions also. This is another reason why I believe we will go a little bit higher this week. That's just my observation. Can we go lower? I'm all about us going lower right now, but I'm just saying be cautious is what I'm saying. If you're a trader, you want to be cautious here. Anything goes, obviously. If you are swinging things overnight, which is kind of tough in this market, but I'm seeing a bottom. I'm seeing high volume bars at the bottom here, a bottom being put into play. So it's just something that we got to keep. This is Apple. Something I'm just watching, I'm seeing like a Visa, you know, this is a high volume at the bottom, MasterCard, look at that. I'm sitting here again. These are very interesting as it came back up near above the closes of the previous day. I'm just looking at some of the popular stocks. Look at Google, high volume right here at the end of the day. Right at this bottom, I'm telling you, there's something to this. I would love to see what will happen. Baidu, which is what's another popular stock, Tesla, that people trade. You can see here, not as much the volume, but it is there. Look around, same thing here. Tesla often has a mind of its own. Goldman Sachs, I think we went over. If I look at, let's see here, we got Qualcomm, stuff that people like. You can see the increased volume there again. So I see this market going lower. Let's look at the Qs. You can see here, we went lower. We traded sideways Friday, up and down. We had decent volume in this. I do believe there's a chance that we try to squeeze some of this area. We try to squeeze some of this area out. We try to squeeze some of this area out. Yes. We try to squeeze some of this area out and it gets back up to the 20. I'm on a meeting. Thank you, buddy. Sorry. Go ahead. Okay, I'll be out in a minute. So sorry, that was my son. But I do believe that we will try to squeeze up a little bit before going lower. So if there is an opportunity to the upside or it comes into play, be ready because there's going to be opportunity to the downside. If it goes lower, then I worry a little bit that we could get a big squeeze up, pop up to the upside. Now, if we do open down, you know, it's nothing wrong with that because we can have a possible move to the upside. We look at the S&P is right near the 200-day moving average. The robot, or I call it the robot, the investor's favorite moving average is the 200. The algorithms will actually point this to the upside. So that is something to look at. We could pop down there and then turn around hard. That's an area to watch. So just keep track of that. All right. Other than that, I believe that if you are in the market right now trading, I'm trading in and out, and I'm looking for a bounce. Maybe some counter trend trading can be very tough for people to do. So be careful, especially if you're a beginner. If not, there is opportunity that you'll be able to take advantage to the upside. And then again, coming back down, I believe it's going to be some prime opportunity. Remember, this is the time to be building cash because you want to invest in some of these things long term. With Apple at 131, Amazon at 106. I mean, these stocks, this is the stuff that you want to be buying right now. If this stuff comes lower, you know, these stocks are really prime prices right now. AMD at 81, and you know, this stuff could be a lot lower too. So just know that opportunity is here. So be ready. You can join our private Discord. You can always email me at support@covenantseededucation.com, or you can hit me up on Instagram, Trader Reg, TikTok, Trader Reg. We just go from there. All right. Just everybody have a great day. Get ready for tomorrow. There is opportunities and other things that I have. Also have a trading bot and some other things that people can learn about that do some things for you on his own. And we also have things on way to protect your money and protect your wealth. So again, you can email me support@covenantseed, SEED, education.com. Again, everyone have a great one. I look forward to talking with you this week. Let's make this money. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Again, you are the end user. You are the consumer. You are the one that makes it happen. So let's go make it happen. Have a great one. Thank you.